time to do a little spring cleaning, and while you're at it, might be time to dust off these too.
House, contents, car, life, health, that's all.
Sometimes I might just think, like I might be paying too much for this, especially with like cars and market value and stuff like that.
I know it's just there in the background, like I've got it, but I don't really know what exactly I'm covered for, what I'm entitled to.
90% of Kiwis that we surveyed actually told us that they don't really have an understanding of, their world of insurance.
That's Justin Lim, the CEO of Quashed, a free site that lets you store your insurance policies and compare them to make sure you're not paying too much. Given that the average family of 4 spends around $180 each week on insurance, getting the best deal is a very good idea.
In the latest data that we've seen, just on car insurance by shopping around, we found a difference of $212. And so for a typical household with 2 cars, it's, $400 odd a year that you're saving, that you could potentially be saving, I should say, on just car insurance.
So top tip number 1, take some time to review what you need and what you've got.
Reviewing it constantly or regularly at least makes a lot of sense, because you can be in a position where you go, actually, this insurance is no longer relevant and I don't need to be spending thousands of dollars a year on it. And I think that's, that's a great outcome.
So what else can you do to make sure you're not spending more than you need? Consider bumping up your excess. This can often mean a drop in premiums. Check that you're not already covered. Credit cards will sometimes include insurance, or your employer may cover some insurance for you. Avoid paying a loyalty tax. That's when your insurer offers a deal to new customers but not existing ones. If that happens, ask for the better deal. Paying annually can be 10 to 15% cheaper than making payments over the year. Might be a good choice if you can afford to pay in one hit, but make sure you spread your renewals throughout the year so that you're not facing big payments all at the same time. Take the time to spruce up those policies. You might never need it, but you don't want to be without it.
You can never plan for what's ahead, so I think I'm glad we've got most of those key things covered.
You've got to have it, right?
So if something goes wrong, once the dust settles, you're all covered.